Welcome to Pampered Chef Cooking with Rob. I'm Rob. Today I'm going to make a surprise cake in the surprise cake pan from Pampered Chef. So you ask, what is the surprise pan? I'll show you. So here we have two cake pans. Okay, one here, one here. There are two pieces. There's a center piece, so I can put a center piece in here, and that's going to leave the center hollow, so I can put one big surprise in the middle. Or what I'm going to do today is I'm going to do a surprise in every piece. This little insert goes in here, and now I'm going to have a little well for every little piece of the cake, and you'll see how that works. It's awesome. Before I get started, I do want to highlight another product, fairly new product from Pampered Chef. It's our 3-in-1 Flex Plus, and today is the first day I'm using it, actually. The reason it's 3-in-1 is it is an emulsion blender, it is a food processor, and it is a regular blender. Okay, and it's cordless, which is awesome. So what happens is this piece pops out of the mixer of the blender, and it will go in your immersion blender. It'll go in your food processor, and then it comes with two battery packs that are both rechargeable, so you can be recharging one while you're using the other. Rechargeable, and that goes straight into your blender, mixer, or other pieces. So 3-in-1 Flex Plus, cordless, great power, wonderful instrument. And I'm going to use it here today and show you how it's used. So that, and I'm also going to use our cooling racks, and I'll show you how we're going to use those to make it real simple to pop the cakes right out of the pan onto the cooling racks. And Pampered Chef plastic mixing bowl. Seems very slick. This is the first time I'm using the mixing bowl too, so we'll see how that works and we'll see how that goes. So we're making a surprise cake. We're going to do a vanilla cake with icing, where I'm going to do some chocolate chips on top, and I'm going to do some M&M surprises in the every piece of the cake. So you'll see how that goes. Thanks for joining us today, and sit back and watch as I make a cake. Okay, I'm back, and my surprise cake turned out great. Not much of a baker here. It's been a long time since I've made a cake, so if I can do it, I know Pampered Chef items can make it easy for you too. Here's my cake. Okay, surprise inside, so you know how I am. I've got a taste before we go. So I'm going to cut a piece. I decided to do the surprise in every piece instead of the surprise in the middle. Pampered Chef knife, Pampered Chef mini spatula. Oh my goodness. People always make fun of me for licking my fingers. Don't you lick your fingers? I do. Look at that piece of cake. Turned out perfect. And there's a surprise. I'm going to start at the back because I know where the surprise is. Oh, look at that. The surprise in the cake. I put M&M brownie bites. Brownies. Oh. Oh, that's delicious. And like I said, for those of us that aren't expert bakers, Pampered Chef will make it look like you are. Doesn't that look good? Get yours today. Be sure and like, subscribe, and share this video with all your friends. And we'll see you back next time. Thanks for joining us with Pampered Chef Cooking with Rob. I'm Rob.